The bell buckles RC and Moonpie Festival made the Tennessee Tourism Society's top 20 events in the Southeast 2009.
Hitherto be, albeit such as they may, very honourable accolades, due in great part to my reign as King Theseus.
Yes, of course, King Theseus.
Oh, blimey, are you forgetting something, my king?
Oh, yes, of course. My tutelage and unsurmounted direction should be recognized insofar as the festival's success.
I'm sure, sire, that you mean to say under the tutelage and direction of both King Theseus and Queen Bowelina.
Whatever. How shall we celebrate yonder accoladia?
Oh, we could have the Spartans again, all 300 of them.
You stole their t-shirt.
That will be all, Colonitis.
So heather to be it altogether as you may, what should we do to celebrate this honorabilia?